Hello folks, this is Jeff Phillips with SmokeandMeat.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my ultimate snack mix. I have 7 of my favorite snacks here. We're going to be combining that. We're going to be adding a butter seasoning sauce to that. We're going to be placing it in the smoker for about an hour and a half, and it's absolutely amazing. Let me show you how to do this. Now I'm making a double batch of this snack mix today. I would normally do that in a full-size pan. I only have the half sizes right now. So we'll go ahead and mix it all up into this pan, then I'll divide that out into multiple pans when I'm done. Got 1 stick of butter here that I've melted into my mixing container. I'm using Jeff's original rub. I've already got 1/4 cup measured out. We're going to add that into our melted butter. Now sometimes I use Tabasco. Today I'm using Cholula. So we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons today. Now we're just going to give it a good stir. And we're just going to drizzle that. We're going to drizzle about half of this in each pan. We're just going to kind of stir this all together. Okay, I think I have a pretty good mix here. Let's go get the smoker going, and I'll see you out there. We're using the Rice Chex pellet smoker today. I've got it set on extreme smoke, which is going to maintain about 180 degrees. I'm just going to place these pans right on the grate. Now I'm going to be stirring this about every 20 minutes while it's in the smoker, and once it's finished I'll come back and see you guys. We're going to give the snack mix a check here and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, I can tell by that sound that it's gotten crispy. I've been out here multiple times stirring this around, making sure we get plenty of smoke to all of it. Well, the only thing left to do is to give it a taste. Wow, that's really nice and smoky. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today as we smoked up this snack mix in the Rice Chex pellet smoker. This is something you can do at your home in your smoker. Once again, this is Jeff Phillips with SmokeandMeat.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video.